Hi students, in today's math class we are going to see in chapter 7 mensuration exercise 7.4. In exercise 7.4 questions 4, 5 and 6. Exercise 7.4 fourth question. A solid right circular cone of diameter 14 cm and height 8 cm is melted to form a hollow sphere. If the external diameter of the sphere is 10 cm, find the internal diameter. A solid right circular cone. A cone of diameter 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is the diameter. So what is the radius, children? Yes, half of the diameter is the radius, isn't it? So the radius of the cone is 7 centimeter and the height of the cone is given as 8 centimeter. Such a cone was melted and to form a hollow sphere. They form a hollow sphere. So hollow sphere means it has external radius and internal radius, isn't it? The external diameter of the hollow sphere is given as 10 centimeter. So from the external diameter we can find the external radius. So external radius capital R is 5 centimeter. They ask you to find out the internal diameter. First we want to find out the internal radius. If you multiply with the 2 you will get the internal diameter. Okay, then another one important thing, children, in the cone was melted and it was recast into the hollow sphere. So volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere, isn't it? Using that we have to proceed the sum, children. Solution, what is given? Measurements of the cone is given and measurements of the hollow sphere is given. So two headings I have followed. Cone, hollow sphere. Regarding cone, what is given? Diameter. Diameter how much? 14 centimeter. Regarding the sphere, external diameter is given, that is 10 centimeter. So what is the radius of the cone? 7 centimeter. Let it be R1. Radius of the cone, small r1 7 centimeter. Here come to the hollow sphere. From the external diameter we can find the external radius, isn't it? So external radius means capital R. Capital R equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5 centimeter. Next, height of the cone is given, that is h. Height of the cone h equal to 8 centimeter. In this hollow sphere we want to find out the internal radius. It is not given, we want to find out. Let internal radius of the hollow sphere is equal to r units. In the heading already it was mentioned hollow sphere. So that only I have written let internal radius equal to small r units. Internal radius of the hollow sphere is small r. Here you see radius of the cone is r1. Understood? External radius is capital R. So we have to differentiate like this, children. By the given condition, volume of the hollow sphere is equal to volume of the cone. The cone was melted to form a hollow sphere. So volume of the cone is equal to volume of the hollow sphere. Okay. Use the formula. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of the hollow sphere is equal to volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. In the place of r, here we want to write r1. So r1 square h. Pi get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. So what is the balance? 4 into capital R cube minus small r cube equal to r1 square h. Now substitute the value. 4 into capital R value 5. So 5 cube minus small r cube equal to r1 square. R1 value is 7. So 7 square into h value 8. So 4 into 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 125. Minus small r cube equal to 7 square. 49 into 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So we can cancel 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So what is the balance? 125 minus r cube equal to 49 into 2. We cancelled with 4, no. So now it is 2. For 125 minus r cube equal to 49 into 2. Multiply. What is the answer? 98. Now bring the minus r cube to the right hand side. Change it as plus r cube. And take the 98 plus 98 to the left hand side. So plus 98 change it as minus 98. So 125 minus 98 equal to r cube. If you subtract you will get 27. That is r cube equal to 27. Taking cube root on both sides. 3 into 3 into 3 27, isn't it? So r value is 3. That is internal radius of the hollow sphere. small r equal to 3 centimeter. They ask you to find out the internal diameter, children. We want to find out the internal diameter. Internal radius is small r. Internal diameter of the hollow sphere equal to 2r. 2r is the diameter. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 centimeter is the answer for the question. I hope you understand the sum, children.